It's that time again. Pronunciation challenge time. Today I have 3 pretty tricky words. You guys know what to do. I'll show you the word, you test your pronunciation, and then I'll go over my pronunciation after. Here we go. And just so you know, Pigeon is here with you. Number 1. This word has 2 syllables. The first syllable is our stressed syllable, na, na. The S actually sounds like a sh sound, nauseous, nauseous, nauseous. Number 2. This word has 3 syllables, and it has another controversial disappearing T sound. Our second syllable is our stressed syllable, acquaint, and the T sound stops back here in the back of your throat, and then the last syllable, unce, like think unce, 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 acquaintance, acquaintance, acquaintance. And number 3. This word has 3 syllables. Our second syllable is our stressed syllable, absorb, and the P kind of stops on our lips. Absorb, and then the T sounds like a sh. Absorption, absorption, absorption. Pigeon wants to know how you did. Let her know in the comments, and also let us know other words that you are having trouble pronouncing. All right, see you next time.